Big news is stirring in the Pi network community. A recent update from founder Dr. Nicholas Kokalis has many people talking. The main point is this: the Pi network may finally be getting ready to launch its open mainnet. This is a huge step. For years, users have been mining Pi coins on their phones. They have been waiting for this moment. This update suggests that the waiting period might be coming to an end. It signals a major change for everyone involved in the project, turning the digital coins on your phone into something you might one day be able to use in the real world. Dr. Nicholas Kokalis is one of the key founders of the Pi network. He has a PhD from Stanford University. His area of expertise is in blockchain technology social computing. He is the head of technology for the project. Because of his background, people listen carefully when he speaks. The Pi network is a unique project in the world of cryptocurrency. It was created with a simple goal: to make digital currency easy for everyone to get. Most cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are hard to mine. You need powerful computers, a lot of electricity. The Pi network changed this. It allows people to earn Pi coins using just their smartphones. The app is designed to be very light. It does not drain your phone's battery. This approach has made it incredibly popular, attracting millions of users worldwide. Many were curious about crypto but found it too difficult to enter before. Dr. Nicholas Kokalis is the visionary leader behind this technology. He holds a PhD from Stanford University, and he taught a class on decentralized applications. His academic work focused on making blockchain accessible to ordinary people. This philosophy is the foundation of the Pi network. He wanted a crypto project not just for tech experts, but for everyone. As head of technology, he oversees technical development. He builds the secure, scalable blockchain to power the Pi ecosystem. Earning Pi on your phone is often called mining, but it differs from traditional crypto mining. On Pi, you open the app once a day and press a button. This proves you're a real person, not a bot. That simple action helps secure the network, and you are rewarded with new Pi coins. The recent update from Dr. Nicholas Kokalis and the Pi core team was shared through the official app. It was not a direct announcement of a launch date. Instead, it was a progress report that contained very strong hints. The team stated they have made significant progress on the technical roadmap. They mentioned completing critical work on the blockchain's infrastructure, security improvements, speed improvements, increased transaction handling, higher throughput. These are the final technical hurdles before a public launch. Another key part was ecosystem readiness. Growing number of apps being built on Pi, apps that will use Pi coins for payments, apps that will use Pi coins for services. A strong app ecosystem gives the coin real purpose. The update didn't give an exact date, but it reinforced the launch conditions. The team encouraged users who haven't completed KYC to do so. Follow the official channels for the most accurate info. To understand why the mainnet is so important, let's use a simple analogy. Imagine you have been collecting special tickets for a new theme park that is still under construction. You can collect these tickets every day for free, and you can see how many you have. However, you cannot use them yet because the park is not open to the public. The rides are being tested, the food stalls are being set up inside a fenced-off area. This is like the current phase of the Pi network, known as the enclosed mainnet. Your Pi coins are like those tickets. You have them, but they are in a closed system. The open mainnet launch is the grand opening of the theme park. The fences come down, the park is officially open for business. Suddenly, your tickets have real use. Go on rides, buy food, trade them with other people. In the same way, when the Pi open mainnet launches, the blockchain becomes public. Your Pi coins are moved from the app to the live blockchain. You will have full control over them in your own Pi wallet. They can be sent, received, or used within the Pi ecosystem. This transition is the most critical event in any cryptocurrency's life. It marks the moment the project goes from concept to a real, functioning economy. For Pi, coins accumulated for years could finally have real-world utility. Developers can build businesses on the network without special permission from the core team. Other crypto projects can connect to the Pi blockchain. It opens up possibilities that don't exist while the network remains enclosed. For everyday users or pioneers, the launch of the FULL.Mainnet will bring several important changes. The biggest change is that you will gain true ownership of your Pi coins. Right now, the Pi you see in the app is essentially a record of what you have earned. After the mainnet launch, you will be able to migrate this Pi to your own personal Pi wallet. This wallet is protected by a private key, which only you will have. This means you, and only you, will have control over your coins. You can then send them to other people or use them in apps on the Pi network. During the enclosed mainnet period, use is limited to a few tested applications. Once the FULL.Mainnet goes live, the number of apps and services that accept Pi could grow quickly. You might be able to use your Pi to buy goods from an online marketplace, pay for a service, or play a game. The mainnet launch is the key that unlocks this economy. However, this transition will not be automatic for everyone. To move your Pi to the mainnet, you must complete the KYC process. This verifies you are a real person and only have one account. If you have not completed your KYC, you cannot transfer your Pi to the mainnet. The core team strongly encourages users to complete KYC as soon as available. After passing KYC, create your Pi wallet and securely save your private key, passphrase. This key is like the password to your bank account. Keep it safe and never share it. The Pi app has a checklist that guides you through all necessary steps. Follow it from wallet creation to confirming your mainnet configuration. Completing the checklist ensures you're ready when migration begins. The process is straightforward, but requires your attention to complete it correctly. Visual. Flowchart. Pass KYC. Create Pi wallet. Wait for migration. Use Pi on mainnet. Predicting the exact date for the Pi network's FULL.Mainnet launch is difficult. The core team has not given a specific day. Instead, they provided conditions. Technical work appears close to finished. Mass KYC and a mature app ecosystem are essential. Many observers believe a launch in 2026 is a realistic possibility, but it remains speculation. As the excitement around the Pi network's mainnet launch grows, so does the risk of scams. The most important rule: never ever share your Pi wallet passphrase with anyone. Anyone who has it can steal your Pi. The Pi core team will never ask for it. As of today, 2025-10-19, Pi is not traded on any public exchange. Any offer to buy or sell Pi now is likely a scam. Only trust transactions inside the official Pi browser ecosystem once fully launched. Use a strong password, enable security features, store your passphrase offline, and verify news only via official channels in the Pi app. The latest signals point toward the long-awaited FULL.Mainnet. Prepare now. Complete your mainnet checklist, create your Pi wallet, secure your passphrase, and watch for KYC opportunities. Being prepared ensures a smooth transition. Stay cautious, verify news, and get ready to help build a real economy powered by Pi.